Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are having the issue that you cannot connect with your App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go back, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection. So if you are you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode, and here you have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. And once you have done, you just have to go back, and here go for settings, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So go for general, go for VPN and device management, and from here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. Then you just have to go back, and here you have to go to screen time section, and then go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here by disabling this toggle, or if you find this enable, you just have to disable it. Once you have done, you just have to go back, and here you have to go for general again, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode and select the reset network setting from confirmation message pop-up. And once you have done, all of your network setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this fix. And after that, it might be that your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to go back and here open your browser, and you will have to simply search for support.apple.com. And on this website, you have to select your phone or your device which you're using. And I'm going to select my iPhone, then scroll down, and you just have to look for the option of get support. Here's the get support options. Let's start now from here, and from here you just have to scroll down, look for option of more, and then look for App Store. Here select App Store, then select continue, and here you will get some options, but you just have to select get more help, then select callers. Now you will get a number or contact number for Apple support official team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number, and you will get contact with your Apple support team member, and then you can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having the issue that you cannot connect with your app store on your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.